Okay, bonjour everyone. I understand that a lot of people are having difficulty with their speaking tasks. So I've put together a cheat sheet so that you can make up perfectly grammatically correct sentences easily, and you don't even need to use Google Translate. I'll show you how easy this is to follow. I'll just get my drawing tool. So, for example, I'm going to imagine I am showing you the part of the house, all right, to start with. So, for example, I might say, pour commencer, to start, on a un grand escalier moderne. Okay, so that means to start with, just looking back here, to start with, we have a big staircase, a big modern staircase. There you go, perfect sentences. All I did was chose one option from each column. Okay, but just be aware that the things that are in pink, if you choose the pink path, that's the feminine. So you got to stick with all the pink ones if you can. So let's do one in pink. I'll show you this is for feminine. So let's just say the next room, I might say, ensuite, il y a, there is, ensuite, il y a une petite chambre confortable. Perfect, all right? And I've used different words to start my sentences. And you could use il y a, on a, voici, etc. All right, but what about when you want to use some of those prepositions? I'm going to scroll down. This is on the next page. By the way, this is in OneNote for you to use. So let's go back. I'm going to do a blue sentence. That's a masculine one. I'll choose a masculine noun. So I'm not going to choose anything pink for this. So let's just say next, I'm going to show you the lounge room. Okay, so I might say ensuite, la maison a. So next, the house has la maison a un salon, but I want to say where it is. Okay, so this column here, the next column along, is about positions or prepositions. So ensuite, la maison a un salon. Let's just say it's to the left of the balcony. À gauche du balcon. Okay, à gauche du balcon. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to choose a different color this time. So I might say après, after that, après, voici I'll use une salle de séjour en face de la salle de jeu. So that means after that, here is a living room opposite the games room. So that's how easy it is to make sentences. So the first page is very simple, but the second page in this, it starts to show you in this 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth column along, you've got some prepositions where things are. So it's just a matter of choosing from each column. All right. And then say we're talking about le salon. I could say on peut, and all on peut means, it just means one can, okay? So I might say on peut relaxer et regarder la télé ici, okay? You can link things with et if you want, okay? Which means and. Or I could say, let's choose a different color. On peut, again, on peut, say I'm talking about le bureau, on peut étudier et faire les devoirs ici. Ici just means here. So that's how you say what you can do in each room. So if you follow this, you definitely, you can't really stuff it up, all right? The only thing is just be careful if you are choosing something that is pink. You've got to make sure that it's une chambre, so the pink word meaning a, and yeah, just follow the pink path if you are doing that for feminine nouns. So yeah, hopefully that helps you when you're introducing each room. I'll show you where this is. It's called Cheat Sheet Speaking Assessment. I'm going to put it into everybody's Mon Travail section. Okay, so yeah, good luck with everything. It's not very hard. I'm sure you'll be fine. And don't forget, this Friday midday, I want to see email me your draft. Okay, email me or just say your draft's ready and I'll go in and have a look at it and correct it.